Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm doing part 4 for the keyword poster coloring book. Poster coloring book is an amazing keyword, quite profitable. I've currently shared over 8 keywords covering this amazing, wonderful general keyword. You can use it for your title, your subtitle, and for your 7 keyword slots. If you haven't yet seen part 1, 2, and 3, all 3 parts will be linked in the description box below. You can go ahead and access it. Also, I will be sharing with you the keywords that are carefully researched using 4 free Chrome extensions. I've talked about the Chrome extensions that I'm using, and I have also linked a video in the description box below that dives into the Chrome extensions, what they are, and how to use them and utilize them correctly, so you can be able to do the exact same keyword research as I am doing at the moment here on the channel. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day. Today I will be sharing with you a total of 3 wonderful keywords that you need to know about in this wonderful niche, and I will also be talking about some strategies that I will be implementing, such as niching down, and a couple of important things that you need to know. So the first keyword for the day is large size mandala coloring poster for adults. This is a wonderful, strong keyword that is a long tail keyword. It has what you need to get started. So it's a large size, preferably 8.5 times 11 inches, especially that we're creating a poster type of a book where coloring sheets get to be colored in. They are either cut, framed, and placed on the wall, or they can even be stuck on the wall or used for so many other things as well. So the idea behind it is to create a poster book that contains coloring pages where it's revolving around Mandala. Now we can go ahead and niche down and incorporate, for example, Mandala motivational quotes, funny quotes. We can make it niche down to specific careers or jobs, such as for example for students, for nurses, for teachers, for doctors, and so forth. Also, we have the target audience here, which are adults. So this is a wonderful opportunity to create adult coloring poster books that revolve around Mandala to be 8.5 times 11 inches. Now let's break through the results. First of all, we have the total results sitting at 192, which are less than 1,000. That is also good to see. We have the average bestseller rank to be within that 100,000 range, so we would expect it to be 300,000 or less, preferably. The less the better. This one is currently averaging 185,335. We have the average review sitting at 181, and the average price is at a beautiful medium of $12.24. Also, we have a strong keyword niche score of number 8 given by Amazon's Cat Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Number 9 is the highest, and I'm quite happy with number 8. I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the 30 given by Titans for the keyword niche score, because it does not complement the data that we have here, and this is exactly why you need to be using all 4 and activating all 4 free Chrome extensions, so you can have a strong, solid platform, or strong, solid kind of tools to be able to compare against them to see which one is working best. So because the total results are under 1,000, average bestseller rank being under 300,000, we have a good amount of reviews and really good price for the royalty that we'll be earning. I'm going to stick with the keyword niche score given by Amazon's Cat Pro, which is number 8, because it beautifully complements the data. The Titans one contradicts that data right here. So that was the first keyword, large size mandala coloring poster book for adults. Our second keyword for the day is coloring posters for adults, large fantasy. So this revolves around the wonderful fantasy niche. We have a strong keyword niche score from both ends. By Self-Publishing Titans has given us a really high, solid, strong keyword niche score of 83, which is amazing and good to see. Also, Amazon's Cat Pro has given us the highest on the scale, which is number 9 for its keyword niche score, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a great niche. Also, the total results are sitting at 303, which is lower than 1,000, and that is also a good indication. The average bestseller rank is also within the expected range, so it is under 300,000. Now I do apologize if there's any noise in the background. The children are currently home, and I really would like to get this video out to you as soon as possible to be able to take opportunity and take the chance to create wonderful fantasy coloring poster books for adults. Also, the average bestseller rank is under 300,000, so it is currently averaging 213,551. The average reviews are 998, and the average price is $28.47. You'll be doing exactly what we talked about in the previous keyword, but revolved around fantasy rather than around Mandala. So think about a fantasy kind of books, anything revolving around maybe dragons. We've got fairies, anything under that fantasy niche. You could also be able to niche down according to what type of fantasy you are targeting as well. Could be able to niche down whether you want it to be for adult women or adult men. That's something to look forward to, but make sure that you don't size it any other size besides 8.5 times 11 inches, because this is the largest size that's available for us as independent KDP publishers as a large print size. So that was the second keyword, coloring posters for adults, large fantasy. Let's dive into the third and the final keyword for the day in today's video is coloring posters for adults, large animals. Wonderful keyword. It fits all the profitability metrics right here. Coloring posters for adults, large animals. So rather than about fantasy like the previous one, or about Mandala like the first keyword that we shared, this one revolves around animals. So you can sub-niche according to what type of animals you are targeting, either specific animals such as elephants, foxes, and squirrels, or you can niche down to the theme of the animals, whether they are nocturnal, whether they are mammals, whether they are forest animals, or animals that like to live in a really cold climate such as polar bears and penguins. You can be able to niche down according to these types of animals as well. So we have our audience, which are adults, we have the types of books, which are coloring poster books, and we have the size as well, apart from the theme right over here. So the keyword niche score for this is a green 79 by Titans. We also have a keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro, which is the highest on the scale. Total results under 1,000. They're currently sitting at 556. Average bestseller rank is at 208,225, which is under 300,000. We've got the average reviews 617 and a super beautiful average price of $21.50. Also, when you scroll down, you'll be able to have a look at see the books are under bestseller rank as well. Don't be too intimidated when you see specific individual poster type of products, because you as an independent seller can make your own way by creating specific types of books where it's like a large print. You're fulfilling all the requirements. You're going to be also offering a reasonable price for the offer. You're going to also be seeing what the majority of the competitors are pricing their prices, and also the quantity, the number of sheets there are. Try to offer, for example, this one's a packet of 18. This one right here, there was a book which includes 30 pages. Maybe go 50 pages, 80 pages, 100 pages or more, and try to stand out that way as well. Now, don't forget, quality is always important than quantity. And I wish you all the best for these wonderful 3 keywords. As a quick summary, the first keyword was large size Mandala coloring poster for adults with a keyword niche score of number 8. Second was coloring posters for adults, large fantasy, with a keyword niche score of 83 and 9. Lastly, we've got coloring posters for adults, large animals, with a keyword niche score of 79 and number 9. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.